Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to easily enable or disable full screen optimization on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Now this is a feature that lets certain apps like video players or games run in full screen mode while prioritizing your CPU and GPU resources to make them perform better. It's pretty handy, but sometimes you might want it off for compatibility or other reasons. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to toggle it system-wide on or off, and we will do it step by step. Let's get right into it. Before we dive in, a quick note. If you are looking to tweak this for just one specific program like a game, just follow these steps. You could search for the program in the search menu. Right-click it, choose Open File Location, right-click the shortcut, hit Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check or uncheck Disable Full Screen Optimizations there. That's great for one app, but today we are going bigger. We are adjusting these settings across your entire system. So let's close out of any random windows and focus on the main event. Start by opening the search menu, click the magnifying glass on your taskbar and type Regedit. When Registry Editor pops up as the best match, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears asking for permission, just click Yes to proceed. Now before we mess with anything in the registry, let's play it safe and back it up. It's super easy and a smart move. If something goes wrong, you can restore everything. Here's how. Up at the top, click File, then Export, give the backup a name. I would suggest something like Registry Backup March 2025 so you know when it's from. Set the export range to all, pick a spot to save it, like your desktop or an external drive, and hit Save. If you ever need to restore it later, just go to File, Import, and navigate back to that file. Takes 2 seconds and it gives you peace of mind. Alright, with the backup done, let's go to work in the Registry Editor. You'll see a bunch of folders on the left. Double-click the one labeled HKE Current User to expand it. Scroll down a bit, find the System folder, and double-click that too. Keep going. Inside System, look for Game Config Store. It might take a second to spot, but it's there. Double-click to open it. Now here's where we make our change. Right-click the Game Config Store folder itself, not a subfolder, just the main one. Hover over New and select stored 32-bit value from the menu. A new entry will appear on the right, ready for you to name it. This name is super important, so type it exactly like this, game DVR underscore DSE behavior. Let me break it down. Start with game, then DVR in all caps, followed by an underscore, then DSE behavior. Use the Shift and minus key next to the 0 on your keyboard to type the underscore, capitalize the D in DVR and the B in behavior, and make sure there are no spaces. Double check your spelling. It's got to be perfect or this won't work. Hit Enter when you have got it right. Now double-click that new value to edit it. Here is the key part. If you want to enable full screen optimization across your system, leave the value at 0. That's the default. If you want to disable it everywhere, delete the 0, type in 2, and click OK. That's the magic number to turn it off system-wide. Once you have set that 0 for on, 2 for off, click OK to save it. Close the Registry Editor by hitting the X in the corner, and you are almost done. To make this stick, you need to restart your computer. Click the Start menu, hit Restart, and let your system shut down and boot back up. Give it a minute or two to settle and then test it out. Launch a game or video player and see if it behaves how you want. That's all there is to it. There you go, folks. You have either enabled or disabled full screen optimizations across your whole Windows 10 or 11 system with a quick registry tweak. If this sorted out your performance or compatibility issues, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome tips. Catch you all in the next tutorial. Stay optimized.